Hello guys, can you solve this simple math question? 60 divided by 6 parenthesis 5 plus 5. Mostly people can solve this question by this wrong method. 60 divided by 6, 5 plus 5 equals 10. And then he can solve it as 60 divided by 6 times 10 equals 60. 60 divided by 60 equals to 1. But this answer is wrong because the order of operation, which is called PEMDAS rule. Firstly, we can solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication and division, after that addition and subtraction. According to PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have equal priority and we can solve it from left to right. Similarly, in case of addition and subtraction. Now guys, I can remove this method and start the solution of this question. So firstly we can solve parentheses. 60 divided by 6, 5 plus 5 equals 10. Now again we can solve division. 60 divided by 6 equals 10 and 10 times 10 equals 100. This is the final answer of this question. To see my more maths video, subscribe to the channel.